Hello guys, good morning. So this is Saga here. So today we'll be learning about how to select stocks for intraday trading on day-to-day basis. So what you'll have to do is, okay, once you enter the market, right, exactly around 9:20. Okay, exactly around 9:20, what you'll have to do is go and open NSE website and select for top gainers and top losers. Okay, so let's wait till 9:20, guys. Okay. Yeah. So exactly around 9:20, what you'll have to do is get into NSE website and search for top gainers and top losers. Okay. So once you open this website, what you'll have to do is you have a list of stocks which is out here. Okay. So you can select whichever stocks you want, either Nifty 50 or Bank Nifty or FNO stocks or all securities, whichever you like. Okay, so basically I'm going with Nifty 50. So what you'll have to mainly check out here is the first thing that you'll have to check is the stock price is trading with more than 150 rupees. And second thing that you'll have to check is the change value should be minimum of 2% each. Okay, the change value has to be minimum of 2% each. And then the next thing that you'll have to check is the volume. Okay, the trading volume has to be pretty more. Okay, only then you would go and select those stocks. So currently with this criteria, we don't have anything which is falling under our criteria. So now let's look into losers. Okay, so under top losers, right, you could see under one criteria, okay, where the change value has to be minimum 2%. So till here, all the stocks are getting selected with this, right? Secondly, what you'll have to check, the price of the stock should be more than 150 rupees. So you could see all the stocks have been trading with more than 150 rupees, which is also selected. And then the third criteria, what you have to check is the volume. Okay, all the stocks has to be trading with greater volume. So when you check all the stocks, right, you could see this first two stocks have been trading with greater volume. Okay, apart from the rest, you don't have much of the greater volume which has been trading, but these two stocks have been trading with greater volume. So we are going to go and pick these two stocks. One is Wipro and second one is Infosys. So let's go here and pick out Wipro, add, and then Infosys. Okay, these are the two stocks that we picked. So now let's go ahead and open it. Now first thing what you'll have to do is check out for levels. Okay, for levels, get into 1 hour time frame and check where do we have the nearest support and resistance. Let's just mark support and resistance. So we do have one out here, small, and next in this level. And one out here. Okay, this is a support and resistance for downside. Now once support and resistance has been done, get into 5 minutes time frame. And now let's check out here, get into 1 hour time frame to understand the major levels and support. We have one small support out here also. This is actually the one main thing. Okay, post that 1 year. And then rest is on the top side. Now what you have to do is get into 5 minutes and then check. Okay. So when you see over here, right, the first one, okay, is a bearish signal. Okay. And the second candle is an indecision signal. So what you'll have to do is just wait. Do not enter for any trade out here because this doesn't look so promising for us. So you'll have to wait and not take any kind of entries in this stock. And one more way how you can select for stock is just get into this website and search for Scanex. So in Scanex, get into live data. So here what you'll have to make sure is select this bullish signal is up, selected, and then bearish signal is selected, and then the volume signal is selected. So right now it will give you list of stocks, okay, which is trading on an upper trend. Okay, you can select whichever you require, either Nifty 50, Nifty 100, whichever you want. So if you see all the stocks, okay, that's like Nestle, Dr. Reddy's. Okay, Dr. Reddy's is been trading on a bullish side, and then Nestle is been trading on a bearish side. You could also go ahead and select stocks from this as well. So you could see even the price that has been trading from and the volume. Okay, accordingly, you can select few stocks from here and then pick over. Okay, these are the two ways how you can select your stocks for day-to-day trading. I'll give you one more example as well. Yesterday, I tried trading with Jindal. Okay, Jindal show. Yeah. So you could see here. I'll just show you my yesterday's trading session. Where just a moment. Yeah. So this is where yesterday's trade that we had taken. Okay. So yesterday, if you see right over here, let me just minimize it. Yeah. Yesterday, if you see out here, okay, in Jindal, exactly, I'll show you where I entered and where I exit. Yeah, you can look into this trade yesterday. Okay, in Jindal, right? Exactly, the market started over here, which was pretty much bullish. Okay, once after a proper bullish signal, right? Okay, you could see after the first 5 minutes candle, the next 5 minutes candle took a proper rejection from this break, from this support, okay, which was acting as resistance over here. Okay, it took a proper support from this resistance and it gave me a pin bar signal, okay, which was a sign of a reversal. So what I did is immediately I went ahead and shot out here, exactly out here, mark this as my stop loss and book my target till this level, which was a target of 1:4. Okay, this was a trade that was taken yesterday. Okay, I'll be updating on this video itself. Okay, so that you understand how to select stocks. So the main thing is I'll be teaching you on further days how to draw support and resistance and how to do your analysis. Everything I'll be teaching you on further days. So currently let's focus on how to just select stocks. So we could enter this kind of trade only after this candle tries to cross the previous candle. So once this candle breaks the previous candle and sustains, only then you could go ahead and take this entry. Then you can plan for the upper. Guys, you can go ahead and take this trade. The reason for taking this trade is you can see three white soldiers. Okay, the first three candles is properly bullish sign. Okay, which gives you a clear cut picture. The market is completely on a positive trend. Okay, so basically what you could do is once after you get this proper signal of a white soldier, you can immediately enter and book your profit till the next resistance. So this would be our next resistance, 182.63. Okay, so this is one, and just wait till we do have 1 more minute to close so that we'll understand what sentiments is this trading on. Post that, we'll be able to take entries. So Indigo is not a good sign, just cancel it off. So this was one, and now let's wait for the next two. Yeah, it has closed on the upside. So right now it's a good move for you where you could plan towards upside. So stop loss will be till your, and your target will be till this level. Till your exactly stop loss. This trade is going to be towards upside on Infosys, and then which is the other one, Wipro. Yeah. 5 minutes. This also looks pretty good. It has crossed the day high, so you can immediately go ahead and take your profit till the upside. Okay, with a small stop loss, plan it till the next upside move. Okay, so this move has to be captured within 10-15. Okay, post that you don't have to enter any trade. We also do have one small resistance. This would be a first target and this would be a second target. Okay. Hey guys, so I told you that I would give you the trade updates regarding all those three stocks which we picked up from the pre-market open session. Okay, so one was Wipro, and you could see our entry and then our targets. Okay, so basically we had one resistance out here. okay, in 5 minutes. So this was our first target, and one resistance out here, okay, which was a second target, and here we had another resistance, okay, which could be a third target. Okay, so basically I had told you that. Okay, so in this market, right, ideally in morning session we have to make sure our targets are achieved before 10:15. Okay, because till that time we could see a proper bullish move, which will be a single sided move, and post that the market can become sideways. So ideally, if you see, right, okay, I waited till 10:15, and you could see this was the target which was achieved within that time. So I made sure our second target is done. Okay, post that I exited from the trade. Okay, so this was an entry and this was an exit. Okay, this is the first trade entry. And then one more thing I wanted to highlight you, that is normally if you're taking any trades, right, in stocks, okay, you have to make sure that minimum 50% if you get, right, okay, that is also pretty good. Okay, minimum 50% target is pretty good. If not, 1%. Okay, always do not wait more than 1%, because you can't expect more from this, because always you can't expect more than 1%. So maximum try to take 50%, if not 1% of target. The moment you achieve 1% of target, make sure you exit from the trade and then look out for something else. Okay, because you can't see one-sided move itself for more for a longer time. Okay, that is the reason this market keeps playing zigzag. So try to accept that 50% or 1% move and immediately exit from the trade. Okay, so this is one trade which was Wipro, and we took another trade which was in Infosys. Okay, so if you look at Infosys, right, let me just get into 5 minutes. Yeah, so you can see it out here. Okay, this is where we entered. Okay, and we had one resistance over here. Okay, this will be clearly visible the moment you get into 1 hour. Okay, yeah, you could see we drew a resistance out here. So this was a first target and this was a second target. Okay, so ideally you could check. Okay, the moment I was just waiting for the market to achieve the target, and exactly if you see out here, right, okay, market tried to hit this level which was our first target. Post the first target, right, it was an immediate rejection candle, so I had to exit from this trade. Okay, for a cost to cost. Okay, this was what it happened. So it was a proper rejection which took from the resistance. Okay, this was a second trade. Okay, and then we had taken one more trade which is of City Union Bank. Okay, this if you see, right, okay, so this is where we entered around 178, and our target, we were looking out for target. So here we had one resistance. Okay, so the market hit till the first resistance and it was almost 955, and post that it didn't make any kind of upper move. Okay, so this was the first target, and that's it. Post that it didn't go any more topper, and we made sure it was almost done. Okay, so exactly around 10:15, you can't expect any more move from there. It's going to be completely sideways. So this is what it is. I hope uh, all the three trades that we took in, right, you could see the movements. Okay, so everything came till a first target or the second target. You got it? That's it, guys.